Hello everyone. In this video, discover how to add a Linkfeel token to your application and link it to a sensor. After opening the application, click on My Account at the bottom right. From the My Account section, click on Store. You must have at least 10 credits to add a Linkfeel token. On your My Account page, you can see the number of tokens you have available. Next, click on Project. Then select the sensor to which you want to link the Linkfeel token. Log in by clicking on Login. At the bottom of the page, click on Linkfeel Activation. Finally, you can test your Sigfox network to check that your sensor is properly connected remotely.